Good day everyone! So for today, we will be discussing app publishing. Publishing is the general process that makes your Android applications available to users. When you publish an Android application, you perform two main tasks, which is you prepare the application for release, you release the application to users. So you prepare the application for release. During the preparation step, you build a release version of your application, which users can be download and install on their Android-powered devices. You release the application to users. During the release step, you publicize, sell, and distribute the release version of your application to users. Share your app. Share your app as source code .aya that can be loaded into App Inventor and remix. You can share it as an executable .app that can be installed on a device. Share your app for remixing. Choose file and just find export selected project .aya to my computer to export the source code blocks for your project. The source code is downloaded in a .aya file. Share your app to install on another device. Create a file that can be installed in a device .app by going to the Build menu on the App Inventor toolbar. Just select Application, Save to my computer. A pop-up box should alert that your download has begun. So once your build completes, you can email the app to friends who can install it by opening the email from their phone. If you want to distribute it more widely, you can upload it to a website that both you and your friends can access. Note that people installing your app may need to change the settings of their phone to allow installation of non-market application.
Play Store membership. I have never experienced Play Store membership because I don't have money to pay. Because the Play Store membership is have a fee that you need to pay through GCash or to your credit card. I've been experienced buying in App Store on my iPhone. The cost of my purchase is 300 pesos only, but I didn't try yet to experience store membership because I don't have enough money to pay the fee. If you want to be a part of Play Store membership, you need to do this first. Get your app on the Google Play Store to let Android user download and use your app on their smartphones and tablets. In order to submit your app to Google Play, you must first create a Google Play developer account. Note, Google Play charges a $25 one-time developer fee. Family managers can share access to Play Store membership up to 5 other family members so everyone can enjoy on their own device. If you want to learn more, you can check out our Help Center article for more information on how to Play Store work, how to start sharing with family, and more. If you want to purchase in Play Store, make sure you have a Play Store app to download your favorite apps.
This is the 8 steps to publish an Android app in Google Play. Step 1. Create developer account. Open Google Play Console and create a developer account. The cost in publishing an Android app is $25. You make a single purchase and each account allows you to publish as many apps as you choose anytime and anywhere you want. Step 2. Type title and description of your app. It's better to think about it before publishing. Additionally, it would be suitable if you conducted research to find relevant keywords to include that in your app description. By doing this, you'll make your app more visible in search results. Step 3. Add screenshots. I'm sure I don't need to repeat that the quality of screenshots should be the highest. As well as that, make sure that the image displays some great features that are in your app, or the main idea of the application. Step 4. Determine the content rating of your app. Now, you need to answer several questions to determine the content rating of your product. It is needed to restricting kids from downloading your app if it contains any adult content. You better answer honestly, otherwise you will be denied from releasing an Android app to Google Play. Step number 5. Select app category. It is also very important because it elevates your chances on downloads. If you choose the wrong category, people will not be able to see it in the category it should really be. Step number 6. Regulate the privacy policy issues. If your app will need to use any private user's data, you have to indicate it and add privacy policy agreement where you guarantee not to use this data to your personal advantage. Users should be made aware of the data that will be gathered, how it will be used, and who will have access to it in the privacy policy agreement. Step 7. Upload your APK file. Here, you also have to indicate if it's a beta version or not. On an Android device, you can download and install only signed APK files. It is necessary to securely keep this key, which can be generated in Android Studio. If you lose access to your key store, you will need to publish your app again using the new package name and key. This is the reason why many product owners prefer to independently launch an Android app on Google Play. And lastly, add the price. You can set your app as free or paid. Update your app's pricing universally or per country, and use pricing templates to simplify pricing for your apps in Play Console. If you want to sell your application, you will also have to note the cost of or to choose the cost in the default mode.
How much those is cost to publish an app on the App Store and what fee those Apple charge? The developer set the price of an app himself. Apple generally does not charge developers and fees when publishing on the App Store. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. What is ASO and how to do it? ASO means App Store Optimization. Simply speaking, these are a series of actions you can take to improve the visibility of your app on the App Store and in the effect to increase its number of downloads. How important are mobile app rating and reviews? Rating and reviews are also the element of the good ASO process. I didn't mention it above on purpose. It is so important that it deserves as a separate point and longer explanation. You need reviews to make people trust you and download your app, and the better they are, the better for you. How can people know if your app is on the App Store? Regardless of whether the App Store is the only place or one of many places where you publish your app, you need to tell people that your app is here. Find places to tell your app potential user about your app. It could be your website, your email, and social media channels. Is enough to publish an app only on the App Store. While Android is the most popular mobile operating system in many countries, Publishing on the App Store is enough if you know that your target audience is Apple devices user and you want to reach them.